Hello and welcome. I hope you're doing well today. New girl on the channel. 2008 BMW E90 328i, rear-wheel drive only with a manual transmission. Lots of fun, great project. Totally excited working on this. Today I just picked it up, so it's not in the most presentable condition, yet mechanically it is absolutely a gem to drive. The suspension is great, transmission, clutch is good, engine is perfect. What are we doing today? I will show you a quick sort of a way to make your car presentable. So if you picked up something like this and you either need to drive it right away or you don't have the money to make her look as what she should or up to your standard, here is the way to get her on the road so it's actually appealing and it's okay to look at and you're not embarrassed. So what we're doing today, we're gonna restore the headlights, we're gonna restore the wheels, we're gonna do some body paint work correction. Another bruise here, something here. This was just glued in because of this right here, the lip. The lip is all scraped. The bumper is all scuffed up all over the place. Probably will have to be painted all together. Look at the original condition of the wheels. So this is the way they came, like that. You see it? And I can tell they have not been cleaned in years. What I'm doing now, all what I'm using is a very rough rug. I'm using this sort of a treatment here. It's a road trip, very good soap, not anything hard of the chemicals. There is shampoo, car shampoo in there. The last step is going to be to use this guy, and I will go around and just touch up these wheels. Also, let's say if you have something like this, right, you can definitely see that this scrape did not go into there. This one did go into the paint, but this one did not. So what I do in these cases, I use this guy. Don't go too deep, just go lightly with a piece of cloth, and then we'll just polish over that, and this usually takes care of something like this. So let's check it out. You see it looks much cleaner, right? Just a little bit of a clear coat to be taken care of. It's good that the some of that will still buff out. Alright, so moving further into the car, we get this side blinker. It has the same impact or the remarks of it with the white paint as we had on the front fender. And pretty much the whole car will require, every single panel will require some sort of the attention or the level of it. But here, of course, this guy will be replaced. But for now, remember, it's a cheap, inexpensive way to make your car be more presentable. We just got it yesterday, and frankly, I do not want to drive it this way. It's just not to my standard. Hopefully you will not have to deal with something like this, but we'll try to get this adhesive out, maybe like cut it around with the razor blade, clean it off the car, because this will have to be cleaned off the car, polish it around and make it look nicer. Got a little bit of a scuff here as well. should be easy to fix. The paint is in great shape. They really painted the E series really good. So I've owned the this is my third E90. I had E60 and E70. E60 was when I got it probably 11 years or 12 years old, and it looked brand new. And even this car, look at this, it was parked outside for many years in the California high UV conditions, and it looks remarkable. So once we take care of all these issues, clean up the paint, all the seams are still nice and straight. Very good car. She will shine like a diamond. So now headlights. You see that in this 15 years of life, nothing was done to them, which is good for us. First, that means the car was not in an accident. Second, it gives us something to do. First attempt without polishing them, you know, the hard sanding actually and polishing, which I've done on my E46. This is always my first step. Let's find out what this product will do on these headlights, and it kind of fits the theme, right? We're trying to make her look nicer without huge investment of labor and money. About 5 to 7 minutes, and it's really satisfying. Much cleaner. I know it's not perfect, but when you need to do something quickly, make her look nicer, and if you would be doing this, let's say once every 3 years, you will not get to this condition. So these are very foggy, so it came out much nicer. But I gave this one another polish and it doesn't look as bad either. Again, for 15 minutes of your time, the result is outstanding. Next, I'm going to address this little guy because that really just gets right into your eyes when the car rolls in. Clean up this a little bit and yeah, let's keep going. And throw them away. For now, again, we're just refreshing the look of the car, and this one is badly damaged. Thankfully, there was not much of the mechanical attachment, just a couple screws at the bottom and double-sided tape. They came out nicely, or came off nicely, but here we got a bumper in very good condition. So here's the finished product. Again, the headlight on the passenger side came out much nicer than the driver's side. Nevertheless, the difference is obvious. We do not have this lip trim spoilers on anymore. The car looks much cleaner. This wheel was the worst out of them. Really had some deep scuffs on it. The body overall is in good shape. Good quality of the paint. So I did some touch-ups on the rear bumper here in the back. A little bit in the middle. Couple on this side. This is something that I did attempt to pull it out, but the sheet metal is really thick, so it's something that is suited for this with the proper tools. Would have to be called in. Rear wheels came out really nicely. Even this one is. The front one, the passenger had the most damage. You don't see any evidence or anything that there was an accident or a scrape on this side. I did clean up around this blinker, and that's another dent we'll have to address. But other than that, this is it for the exterior. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, don't forget to hit the button, like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you again. Leave a comment in what you would like to see on this project or any other ones I'm working on, so it would be appreciated, and we'll promote the video going forward. Also, I will know what you like to see on this car or whatever else you would like to see, but this one is a very exciting project to work on. See you later. All the best to you. Bye.